Welcome to a new house tour. We're at the parking at Villa Keluarga. Come and have a look. So we're entering from the back, and if you continue straight here, you have the outdoor shower. So you can just take a little shower after you come from the beach. And then walking down here, we have this beautiful garden at the back, and entering into this wonderful view, the full ocean. Have a very nice looking kitchen here to the right with a nice teak wood meeting this little marble on the kitchen island and on the wall, and dining and a social area with sofa and a TV for the chilled nights. Walking out here into the terrace, we have a sunken sofa down here and a couple of sun lounges up. We have a kids pool, and then we have a deeper lap pool in the front. And from out here you can do some jumping into the deeper pool. Yeah, this looks amazing. The villa is up for rent, and we have 2 master bedrooms each side of the living room, and they have a kids bedroom and a bathroom as well. So totally 4 bedroom, and it's perfect for 2 large families or a smaller group. Let's have a look. Coming into the master bedroom to the west, we have a large king-size bed and built-in wardrobes in the back, and a little terrace in the front overlooking this amazing views. Here we have the second bedroom, or the kids' bedroom. So it actually have a king-size bed plus an extra bed, so you can easily sleep 3 in here, and overlooking this little garden, and then of course the ocean from here. And what I really like with this villa is the tropical bathrooms. So here we have the double sink, and looking through the very nice grey stone wall. And in here, it's just incredible. It feels like you're in a tropical spa. Rain shower, and here you can even have a little glimpse to the ocean. Alright, now we're gonna check the bedrooms to the east. And in here we have the master. Also, of course, overlooking the ocean. Wardrobes in the back, king-size bed, everything you need. And the kids' bedroom. Also king-size bed and 1 extra single bed, so easily sleeps 3 in here as well. And another tropical bathroom in the back with a double sink and the stone wall, coming into this spacious tropical rain shower. And up here we have a wood terrace on the roof and a beautiful garden here. So if you want to enjoy some more privacy, you can take a chair up here, enjoy the sun and the endless views.